Let's do some quick scalp. I've already done some quick scalp, like 10 seconds, 29 seconds, like pretty quick scalps that I have done. Let's do. So this is 1 minute. So I prefer 1 minute or maybe 3 minute or 5 minute for scalping, not high time frame. So yeah, we can enter. So let's ensure that. Okay. I will press the down arrow. Okay, what is this? Okay, I'll press the down arrow, and with that I think entry was really good, but let's see if we get a follow-up. We can still hold it, but so it was 1173. Now we are 1149, so we haven't made much in this trade, but yeah, now we are making some. Perfect. I'll just quickly exit because we are scalper. We don't want to be in the trade for long. Yeah, the moment I see 2000, I'll exit. Yeah. So we made quickly $500, and that's good. So if you see the entry, this trade entry was this $500 entry was. Okay, we entered and exited in the same candle itself. Yeah, we stayed for 43 seconds. We didn't stay for a minute also, but let's see the option where we entered. Yeah. So we entered and we exited the same candle. We didn't wait for the candle also to close. Nevertheless, it was a good entry and exit. We can do further scalping. I'll just change this to ATM. I prefer ATM or ITM rather than doing OTM, because OTM sometimes decays like crazily. Yeah, so I'd wait for some time, because if you see this candle is still haven't decided, and it's at a support level. So if you see, it has taken support 3 times. I'll not rush to enter here. Maybe I can scalp on call side, but that also would be risky. Yeah, this second 1 minute candle is also coming down, so maybe we can enter and exit very quickly. You have to be very swift while you are doing scalping. Otherwise, what would happen is, by the time you think, decide what has to be done, either market would move opposite direction to you, or you, by the time you decide and you scalp, you would have lost the opportunity altogether, right? So earlier we had points from the entry, but because of MTM calculation to be shown accurate as broker, like if you see our 1670, this is the broker screen, and our MTM would be exactly like, yeah, you can see it here, right? So it would be exactly like broker, because we're directly getting the data from broker and showing it off. Earlier we were calculating to some extent in terms of the entry based on the last entry we were calculating. Okay, so as you can see, this went not in our favor. We expected it to go down, but okay, candle is still not closed. So we were at around 1700. So yeah, we are down by 200-300 rupees. So, but definitely we'll bring that point one, where last entry point, in a matter of 1 or 2 weeks. So yeah, this was a quick demo of scalping terminal. I would exit this position, and okay, I'll exit this position once this minute closes. and then yes, so yeah, we're almost back to the same level. I normally prefer scalping in BankNifty rather than any other instrument, because BankNifty gives you that volatility, and also you can get in, get out with high quantity or any quantity for that matter using BankNifty. So yeah, that's the thing. I'll exit this trade. It didn't go in our favor. Thank you.